question is about differentiation. Diagram shows the curve y equals sin x cos 2x, maximum point M when x equals a, find a to dp. So first of all, we're talking about maximum point. Maximum point, minimum point, stationary point means the tangent is a horizontal line, the gradient is 0, gradient is dy dx, so the y prime equals 0. To find the y prime, we gotta use the product rule. So this is u and this is v. The product rule is u prime v plus v prime u. So if the u is sin x, the u prime is cos x, the derivative formula in the MF19. The v is cos 2x, the v prime is cos becomes minus sine, we multiply by 2 because of the chain rule, because of these two. So now to solve this, we cannot use the double angle here, so we have to use the double angle formula in MF19. For sine 2x, we use 2 sin x cos x, and for cos 2x, we use the cos double angle. Now we have 3 options for the cos double angle. We can use cos squared minus sine squared, 2 cos squared minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared. So if we use cos squared minus sine squared, we're gonna get something in terms of sine also. So if you just want to use, actually that will do, okay, you can do that also. We can use tangent, but it's just here we're gonna use 2 cos squared minus 1 because we want everything to be in cos squared, and we can solve in terms of cos. So here we use cos 2a equals 2 cos squared a minus 1. So you multiply cos times 2 cos squared, 2 cos cubed, cos times minus 1 minus cos, and minus 2 times this, we have minus 4 sine squared cos. And now we use the Pythagorean formula. Just look at MF19, move the cos squared to the right, we get sine squared equals 1 minus cos squared. So we replace this sine squared with 1 minus cos squared. So now we multiply minus 4 times 1 times cos minus 4 cos, minus 4 times minus cos squared plus cos squared times cos plus cos cubed. Now we have 2 plus 4, which is 6, minus 1 minus 4, which is minus 5. And if this is confusing, just replace the cos with a. We have 6a cubed minus 5a, factor out to a, and we have to solve a equals 0, 6a squared minus 5 equals 0. If 6a squared minus 5 equals 0, move minus 5 to the right plus 5, divide by 6, take the square root. We have 3 possible values of a. A is again cos x, so x is 0 in this case, and here we have cos x equals plus minus root 5 over 6. So if we use inverse cos, we get these 2 possible values. In case you are wondering why they are rejected, because as you can see here, the a is supposed to be not 0, and this is pi, this is supposed to be around pi over 2, symmetrical. So this a must be smaller than pi over 2, so smaller than 1.5 something, 3.14 divided by 2 is 1.6, around that. So it's gotta be not 0, rejected, and also not bigger than 1.6. Okay, so this is the only possible value of x. Okay, Actually they call it a, but you can call it a or x, it's acceptable. All right, I'll see you again next time.